Welcome to Excellent Learning Point. Today we are going to talk about will and would, which are also called modal auxiliary verbs. Modal auxiliary verbs have four names: modal auxiliary verbs, modals, and modal auxiliary. I think we have repeated this in every video so that you get clear what it is about. These are the 10 of them: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, and ought to. Among this, can, could was the first video, may, might was second one, and will, would is this one, the current one. Okay. So guys, if you didn't understand can, could, or may, might, please remember you can click on the link in the description and you can go to the video. So in this video, we are gonna talk about will and would. So let's start with will. Now will is used for future auxiliary. What does it mean by future auxiliary? You can create a sentence for future tense for anything simple or perfect sentence. Let me show you an example. I will be happy when my exams are over. So this is our future tense. Second one, this time tomorrow I will be at my home. So this is like for future again. She will have finished the project by this evening. Now you see here what we are talking about. This is the perfect sentence and the above example are present tense. Everywhere you have to use will. It just have is added in this case, that is perfect tense. Second is certainty or confidence. That means you are sure about it. You use will. Let me show you an example. I am sure you will understand. So as you can see, we are using here will again for being sure. Now next is tomorrow will be a pleasant day. That's you are sure about because today was a bad day, so tomorrow will be a pleasant day. There is someone at the door. That will be my brother. So you know for sure that he will be your brother. That's why we are using here will. Now number third is giving order or asking for something. That is request. Will you be quiet? And will you be quiet? This is kind of the order, the way you are say it, and also a request. Come with me. Will you? Definitely a request. Now number 4 is wishes. What will you have? This is that you are asking someone for their wish. Second example, what will you have drink tonight? So again you are asking for someone wish what they will have tonight. Now number 5th is willingness and decision. So let's take an example to make it clear about willingness. Can you help me? Somebody asks you this question and you say, yes, I will. This is your willingness that you are sure and you are gonna help them. Alright guys, so these are that we have talked about for will, future auxiliary, certainty or confidence, order or request, wishes and willingness and decision. Alright guys, so we are gonna jump to the next one, which is would. Now, would is the polite version of will. We talked about will, so we are gonna see an example of that as well. Will you open the door? It's little bit informal. To make it formal, what you do is add a would. Would you please open the door? It's become formal and polite. So, would is a polite version of will. Next one is past action which didn't take place. Alright, you talked about something but didn't take place. For example, he met the woman whom he would date in the future. Now he met someone, he didn't date the person at that time. He dated the person later. So that's why it didn't happen at that time. But that happened in the future. You can use would, okay? Again, he met the woman whom he would date in the future. Next one is past of will. Very simple, is would. I wish he would not take me for granted for a few months ago. That's mean you wish at that time that he wouldn't take you for granted. Okay guys, indirect speech. Number 4. So for direct speech, what we do is we take will in use. Tomorrow the weather will be fine. This is direct speech. For indirect speech, what we do is the weather expert said that tomorrow the weather would be fine. That is called indirect speech. Alright. Typical behavior in the past. So somebody behaved same way in the past, we use would for that. When I was a child, my dad would bring me chocolate every day. Right? So there's something that used to happen every day. In the past, he used would for that. When I was a child, my dad would bring me chocolate every day. When he was old, he would lie on the bed. So this was typical behavior of someone in the past. That's why we use would here. Now number 6 is conditional. So let's see an example. I would tell you the truth if you calm. We would go out if we could collect enough money. So collecting money, if we could do that, we would do this. So we would go out if we could collect enough money. So these are the things we understood in would. The first one was polite version of will, past action which didn't take place, past of will, indirect speech, and typical behavior in the past. I hope you guys understand will and would. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment, and hope you like this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, do it right now because more videos are coming in the series. Thanks.